Here's the Suzuki Katana, and today's install is going to be a mustard tail tidy from mustardbikes.com. This video is not sponsored by Suzuki or Mustard. It is sponsored by Katana. So you're going to need a few things. Couple of tools, oh, and the tail tidy. So I've kind of pre-assembled it a little bit. The guy's done a nice job making this. Hats off to Aussie ingenuity and a built-in tail light. I like the little touches with the cutouts. It's made out of aluminium, and I like the katana symbol too, CNC machined in at the rear. So I did have to check. You would notice with this bike that I am running a Ventura sport rack to carry bags and stuff. So the number one thing, just check that this will fit. So minus the plate, there's another plate that goes to this, and we do have clearance. So that's the number one thing that I was a bit worried about, the indicator's not clearing. So here we're going to be removing this. So at first I was going, oh, maybe I'd keep it. But the more I look at it, and it's on one side, it's hideous. The thing just doesn't look right. The rest of the bike, the designing and style, spot on. Okay, so I'm going to put this camera onto a tripod, and I'm going to start working away at getting these fixings undone. So let's go. Okay, so it's going to get very bright with this rising sunlight. So let's go. Let's remove the seat. So I'm guessing it's a 4 mil or 5 mil. 5 mil. And that's how it falls out. So let's come here, come with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and the two clips. This one here, and this one here. That just pops it in. So next we'll have to really take that screw out. Okay. Beautiful camera angle. Okay. I did have a screwdriver. It's not with me. It's in the house. So we'll do it the old-fashioned way. up to you if you want to change your nuts and bolts to something stainless, because those ones are rusty. Yes, no washer. That's good. You got me for a second, thinking it wouldn't fit. That's good. There's a saying, a tidy tradesman is a good tradesman. My advice, I don't think, to do this properly, you need to take off these other covers and do it properly and feed it that way. $320mm. One, two, three of those captive nuts, or captive positions. And you'll need an Allen key just to tighten it. And that's the underside. Okay. Okay, that's a big thing. Just to tidy it off. That looks good. Like that little finishing touch there with the mustard logo. See? Goes flush with the underside of the bike. It's pretty good. Should keep all the water out. If cable's neat. I wish I rotated that a bit. The only thing I wish the Suzuki logo wasn't covered, but overall it's all pretty good. Vast improvement, but these two hideous looking bolt holes being a bike, I've built some bikes in the past. This is pretty ugly, so we'll have to remedy that with a plate, so it looks really cool. CNC machine aluminium plate with really nice bolts to hold it on. Okay, next stage, they're all done. Cables, red, black and white. That's white. Okay, well, with the reflector. Now, the only thing I'll probably change, if they could supply 2 more of these bolts, so it's all, you know, uniformity, looks better. That's what I'd add to the review. So the next thing is I'll run the indicators and show you how it looks. Let's start the bike up. I'll turn it on, and so doing this thing. So there you go. That's with the light on. Number plate light. Left working, so I didn't stuff it, proof that I made it work. And right. There you go. That's how I roll. When you buy a Suzuki Katana, you automatically become a black belt. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice. The tyre is set free from the shackles of the huggle. That's cool. So you're still watching this video? How dare you, as Greta would say. How dare you. One little tip. Keep the box, bag all your nuts and bolts from the rear hugger and put it in the box. One pro tip for you guys. Thanks for watching.